Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the data science class. Today, what we are going to do is introduction to the Power BI, the Microsoft Power BI, how we can use the Microsoft Power BI to visualize our data. Apparently, this is the first lesson we have on the BI. Our previous lessons focused on Microsoft Excel and the rest of the tools. Today, what we are coming to do is very simple. So you open your Power BI and you practice along with me. Now, when you open your Microsoft Power BI, you see such an interface in it. There are so many things or visualizations you can use a Microsoft Power BI to do. But the first thing here today we will do is to visualize using pie chart. Now, when you open your Microsoft Power BI, you would have to bring in data. In other words, import data. For you to import data, there are so many ways to import data. One is either you get an import table or you get it from my SQL server or you get it from an Excel server, so on and so forth. So wherever your data or data set, wherever your data is, you try and import it in your BI. So today we are going to use an Excel, very random data, Excel random data. Then we will visualize it for us to see. Since our data is going to be Excel, we will go and click on Excel here to actually get our Excel. When you click on the Excel workbook, you wait for it for your source to open. So it will open where you will want to select your Excel workbook. So let's go here. So there's my Excel workbook and I click on it. Now when I click on it, I will wait for the data to fully load into my BI, my business intelligence software before I start. So you can see it's converting the data. Now after it's been selected, every sheet on this data Excel sheet we selected will be displayed. So here have only one sheet. So we select this one sheet. And after selection, we should see a preview here. Now our preview is showing various levels and gender. So today what we are going to visualize is the gender and level of a particular data set. After showing our preview, we will come down here and click on load. So we are going to load down our data. We will click on load. Whilst waiting for our data to load for us. So 32 is loaded successfully. Okay. Now when it's loaded, What you are seeing is where you are going to build your visualization. So quickly, we'll go here and select the sheet. So our sheet we selected is this, or below the data we loaded is this. So we click on it and we can see our agenda and our level. Now we will select the one we want to visualize for now. So I'm selecting gender for now. Now we will select our visualization. So let's have select a pie chart. So you can see here that it's displayed here, male and female here, represented by M and F respectively. Now we would want to actually add details. We want to know how many males, how many females. What you will do is to drag this column to here, the values, we can also drag it to the details. Now let's expand it so that we can see well. Now we can see from our screen we've been able to visualize our data, that the gender part, having the deep blue representing the male, that's the him. We have our key here, then the light blue representing the female. So when you place your mouse or enter on it, it gives you all the calculations. So gender is represented F, then the number of people found in the gender F is 7, representing 21.88%. Whereas the deep blue is representing the males, who are 25 people out of the whole total population, representing 78.13%. So we've been able to visualize using the Power BI to visualize our data as the gender section. Now let's do the same thing for the level section. So we can add a new page here. Then we can count for the level. So let's select it. Select the level. We want it in a pie chart. Select the pie chart here. We want it detailed. So you drag the level to the detail section. Now you can make it big. Now from our screen, we can see level by level 100, 200, 400, 300, 400 respectively. On this whole, level 100 represented by the light blue, which is having 100 people. That's 1001 people. The level 200, 1006, 300, that's the 400, 2000, and the 300, 2000. Each of them have respective percentages. So if you're a data scientist, you want to analyze or draw conclusion or analysis from this, you can do that. From this, you can make deductions. You can actually um, bring out fact-based discussions or fact-based decisions. So from here, maybe you can say in your report, you can say the lowest level among here is the level 100. That means in the next 3 years, These are the people going to be in the 400, and their population is likely going to be few as compared to us. So, meaning in our next admission, we should take more people. Today, we've been able to visualize our data using the Power BI. Our next session will focus on building dashboard using the Power BI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining today's class.